Hi everyone, welcome back to another CCNA Lab. In today's video, we are going to perform GRE tunnel configuration. For GRE tunnel configuration, we took three routers again, R1, R2 and R3. So let's start the process. So in this video, I'm going to show you from the beginning assigning the IP addresses on all interfaces as well. Let's start with R1, then R2 and then R3. So now we have assigned the IP address on physical interface and loopback interface of R1 and R3. And before proceeding to the next step, we have to make sure that the connectivity between each router is okay or not. So first we will ping our neighbor, which is router 2. It's pingable. Now we will go on R1 and here we will ping our neighbor router to make sure the connectivity of IP addressing is correct. So here we go. So now let's start the GRE tunnel configuration. So first thing first, we have to assign a IP address on both routers on R1 and on R3 for the tunnel interface IP. So to start the configurations, write interface tunnel 0. The IP address will be 172.1.1.255.255.255.252. Tunnel source will be my physical interface of R1, which is 121.1, and the tunnel destination will be R2 physical interface facing towards R3, which is 23.1.1.2. Tunnel destination will be 23.1.1.1. So the tunnel destination will be the R2 physical interface facing towards R3. So we are done on R1. Now we will go to R3. First thing, interface tunnel 0 IP address 172.1.1.3 255.255.255.25. Let's assign 2. Here you go. No shut. Tunnel source, which is 23.1.1.3, and tunnel destination will be 12.1.1.2. So the destination will be R2 physical interface facing towards R1 and the source Ethernet 1/1 address. So far so good. Now for the reachability, what we will do here, we will run the EIGRP on physical interfaces only. So we will run router EIGRP 100 network 12.1.0. Then we will move on R2 router EIGRP 100 network 0, and the other interface we also run here the router EIGRP 100 network 23.1.0 and show IP route, and here you go. So here you can see we are able to get the R1. So first let us look that our tunnel is up or no. As you can see here, our tunnel interface is up. On R1 we will also verify. Here it's also up. Now as we did not advertise loopback addresses in EIGRP, then what we have to do, we have to configure a static route. To configure the static route, so IP route, then our destination to loopback address, then 255.255.0, and then we have to 72.1.1.2. On R3 we have to type IP route 192.168.12.0. use the tunnel which is 1. So now if we do here show IP route, here you see this is the static route which we have configured, and it's going from via our tunnel interface, not from the any routing protocol. Here is our tunnel address. So that's it for today's lab. See you in the next video. If you have any question and if you have any suggestion, do let me know in the comment section.